Ready to unleash your inner artist and turn your computer into a digital canvas? Let's dive into the world of Python turtle graphics and create a stunning letter A together. Like this. It's simpler than you think. Let's dive in and create a beautiful letter together. Welcome to the world of Python turtle graphic. Today, we're going to turn your computer into a digital artist by creating a beautiful letter A. Let's get started. First, we'll import the turtle library. Then, we'll set the stage with a colorful background and a pen ready to draw. Watch as we create a perfect octagon. We'll fill it with a vibrant color to make it stand out. Next, a circle will be added, completing the basic structure of our A. Now comes the fun part, forming the letter A itself. With a few simple commands, we'll draw the lines that shape the letter. To add a touch of elegance, let's place a crown above the A. You can find the code on my GitHub repository. The link is in the description. Ready to see your masterpiece? Let's run the code and watch our digital artist work its magic. Isn't that amazing? You've just created a beautiful A using Python. Want to take it further? Try creating other letters or shapes. Share your creations in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript tutorials.